Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your Peloton account to access workouts and connect with the fitness community, follow these straightforward steps for successful verification. Step 1. Download the Peloton app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you're using a mobile device, or access Peloton through your web browser. Step 2. Open the app or website and click on Sign Up to create a new account, or log in if you already have credentials. Step 3. During registration, enter your email address when prompted. Make sure to use a valid email that you can access immediately. Step 4. Complete the registration process by providing your name, creating a username, and setting a password. Step 5. Peloton will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your email inbox for this verification message. Step 6. Open the verification email from Peloton. The subject line typically reads, "Verify your Peloton account," or "Confirm your email address." Step 7. Click on the verification link in the email. This will redirect you to the Peloton platform and automatically verify your account. Step 8. Return to the Peloton app or website and log in with your verified credentials. You now have access to workout classes and community features. Step 9. If you have a Peloton bike or tread, link your equipment to your account by entering the device serial number in your account settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.